Hey everyone, welcome to Home Remedies for Life. Today, I'm diving into the world of herbal remedies to help with hearing loss. Now remember, these are natural aids and not a replacement for medical advice, so always consult your doctor first. First up, spearmint. Known for its refreshing flavor, spearmint also comes with anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in reducing ear inflammation. You can enjoy it as a tea or add it to your dishes for a subtle hint of flavor. Next on the list is ginger. This powerful root has been used for centuries to enhance circulation. Improved blood flow to the ears can potentially aid in better hearing. Try incorporating ginger into your diet by adding it to smoothies, soups, or simply brewing it into a comforting tea. Turmeric is another fantastic option. Renowned for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, turmeric can help combat the oxidative stress that contributes to hearing loss. Consider adding a pinch of turmeric to your meals, or enjoy golden milk, a soothing drink made with milk and turmeric. Moving on to ginkgo biloba. This ancient herb is famous for improving blood circulation, particularly to the brain and ears. Ginkgo biloba supplements are widely available, but always check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Last but not least, dillweed. This aromatic herb is rich in antioxidants and essential vitamins. Adding dill to your diet can provide overall health benefits and may support ear health as well. Remember, while these herbs can be beneficial, they're not a cure-all. Always seek professional medical advice for any health concerns. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching. Thanks.